What's going on, guys? This is Sal at Garage Built doing an oil change on a 2020 Kia Rio. This is the hatchback version. I'm sure the four-door is the same. Tools you're going to need: 17 mil socket. Doesn't have to be deep. Either there's a 24 mil for the filter wrench or filter housing. It goes right here. Let me show you guys. It goes, plugs here. Filter housing goes right here. Yeah. Now I can disassemble the filter. It has a clip. Kind of a clip, so you gotta squeeze it and pull it out. And I'll pull this so it'll be able to remove the filter. If you try doing it without taking that out, you could break it. So remember that, guys. You might need a new housing. As you can tell, new filter has that piece right there. See the hole? All right, let's get that off. All right, so what I did is I just squeezed right there. I should be able to push out. Okay. Pushed out. Try and record at the same time. Okay. Don't lose that. Now you should be able to remove this filter with ease. Somewhat ease. Hold on. Sorry guys, I had to put you down, but it's out now. You know, check for contamination, stuff like that. Then we'll get the seal off. See the seal? Right there. Now I'll just use a little pick, screwdriver, whatever's best for you. Be careful though. Some people just cut it with a razor blade. That's an easy way too. So what I use is my little pry tool. I was able to get it out. As you can see, you just remove it. And it's out. And just reverse the procedure to install it. Okay guys, so the Wix filter comes with the filter, an O-ring that's already installed, see, as you can tell. A big O-ring, the clip, and a new washer actually, which is nice. Part number for the filter is WL10473 or Whiskey Lima 10473 for you military guys. So, like I said, installation is reverse procedure. You can get it to do it one hand. Kind of line it up. Snaps in. It's not in all the way. There it is. See? Now let's put the clip. Sorry, I'm trying to do it one-handed. So the direction it should go is this way. You can see it has that little bracket area that sticks out on the filter. I'm gonna switch hands and get it done. And that's it. It should snap in, and you're set. Let's get the O-ring on. I always use olive oil. It's not bad. It's not bad to do. Obviously, you lube it up. Put it on. Roll it out. Keep rolling it until it finds its groove. And make sure you're in there. You're in there like swimmer. And that's it, guys. put it on. I like to put it in hand. So first, I don't know the torque specs on this, but just make sure to catch the threads correctly because it is plastic. If not, you're gonna have a bad day. Sometimes these are kind of a pain to get started. Just make sure the filter seal is right. I think so. Actually, it's not. Let me fix that. Alright, let's go back. Sorry, the seal wasn't in the right spot. Thought it was, and then I looked at it again. I was like, why is it fighting me? So, this just feels... I don't like how it feels. I should have went aluminum on this. But, wow. Just being a pain in the ass. There it goes. Okay. Tool. Get that out of the way. Yeah, the 24 3/8 is probably better. But oh, come on. My head is loose on this thing. So you have to hold it from here. Just make sure it threads in easy, guys. Make sure it's not fighting you guys, okay? You'll feel it get tight, and just a little bit after that. It works for 95% of those filters out there, unless it's there's a torque spec for sure. But I'm using a 1/2-inch ratchet, long handle, so what I did was more than enough. You double check your work. Plus, we got a new drain plug, and then top it off. That's about it, guys, for that part. Yeah, let's top it off with fuel. Oil, sorry, fuel. Okay guys, I made a little bit of a mess. My funnel's not the correct one for this spot, so it dropped a little bit of oil. I hate that. I don't have a threaded one, which is not the end of the world. It just makes stuff easier, guys. Also, update on the Durango. Still have it. We cleaned the headlights, put LEDs, new tires. It's got 31-inch tires now. Well, it had 31s, but they're new. Gonna get new axles. Looking at getting a welder so I can make the overland kit on it. New bumper. It's all coming. It's still there. Runs and grates. Runs a red gate. Sorry. Still have the Toyota. But yeah, letting you update. Still working on that one. Still have it. Yeah, it takes. So oil capacity is around 3.5 to 4 quarts, just to specify. Double check. Some say 3.5, some say 4. Just go off of what the dipstick says. Put 3, go from there. That's what I always tell people. If they don't know their exact oil capacity, 3. But most people look it up online. You can just Google it. It's pretty good. Another thing is check it on the ground level, as low as you can. Usually garage is fine. Or if you put oil there, put it on the road, kind of, or wherever you can get as low as you can. And that's where you check it. But that's pretty much how you do an oil change on this Kia. Not too hard. I don't know if it has the, the oil light. If it does, I'll reset it right now and I'll show you guys how to do that as well. But yeah, you just top it off and it should be good. Okay guys, this one shows lubricant. Engine oil drain and refill recommends. Gamma 1.6, I guess that's the motor. Takes 3.8 or 4 US quarts. Transmission, if you want to know. Coolant takes 5.8 quarts. This is all in the owner's manual. Car's new up, so yep, 4 quarts. Alright guys, and that's it. Obviously the filter needs to be replaced. There's just one clip here, you pull back and out. Clean that out real quick, but need to know. Also I'm doing the cab air filter as well. Don't mind the mess, guys. So I don't know if it's supposed to see, but it's right here. So there's a, let me hold on. There's two squeeze tabs right here and right here. Looks like it goes either way, but you squeeze it to get it out. And there should be the filter. Oh yeah, look at that. And it shows the airflow is down. So that's how it goes in the car, this way. This airflow brings down, so the blower goes down. Just swap it out. New one has the airflow down, so it goes this way. Should just slide right in to that groove. So this slides back in right there. So we can see it. Lets me. Yes, I'll just pop this back up. Okay, you're done. But that's it, guys. I'll clean this up, but that's pretty much an oil service, cabin filter service, air filter service on a lube oil filters, I guess you could call it, on a Kia Rio 2020. So again, this is Satellite Garage Built. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.